i-run natin. And then mag-login tayo. Lagay natin calyx. Then yung password. And then login. Ay, login successful. Tapos check natin yung balance. Ayun, 0 siya. So, mag-deposit tayo. 1,000. And then, okay. And deposit successful. And then, and then, mag-withdraw tayo. 500. And then, check natin yung balance. Ayun, 500 na lang siya. And then, okay.